Google just dropped Nanobanana 2, and it's honestly the biggest upgrade to free AI image tools I've seen in a long time. I've been testing it all day, and I'm going to show you exactly what it can do, how it's different from Nanobanana 1 and Nanobanana Pro, and most importantly, how you can use this thing to actually make money, like real money. I'm talking about charging small businesses $1,000 a month to create daily social media content. But before we get into it, let me show you proof that I know what I'm talking about. Here's a screen recording of my payment processor. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there we go. Over $400,000 in revenue, and we have about 300 active clients. Now I'm going to walk you through three things today. First, I'm going to break down what Nanobanana 2 actually is and why it's way better than what we had before. Second, I'm going to show you how to use it to create stuff like infographics and carousel posts that small businesses will pay you for. And third, I'm going to show you the exact system we use to manage social media for over 300 clients. Let's get into it. Chapter 1, what is Nanobanana 2 and why it's different? So let's talk about what Nanobanana 2 actually is. If you've been following this channel, you know I've been using Nanobanana for a while now to create social media images for clients. The original Nanobanana came out back in August, but it had problems. The text on the images would come out blurry or misspelled half the time. And if you wanted something that looked really professional, like an infographic or a carousel with a bunch of text on it, it just couldn't do it well. Then in November, they came out with Nanobanana Pro. Pro was a huge jump in quality. The images looked way more polished. The text was actually readable. You could do 4K resolution. But here's the catch. It was slower, and it's on the paid tier. So if you're just getting started and you don't want to spend money on a Google AI subscription, Pro wasn't really an option for you. That's where Nanobanana 2 comes in. Nanobanana 2 literally takes all the good stuff from Pro and puts it at the speed of the original. So you're getting 4K images, clean text that actually looks right. And the best part is you can use it right now for free inside of Google Gemini. You just open Gemini, make sure you have the image tool selected, and start prompting. Now let me actually show you the difference instead of just talking about it. I ran the exact same prompt through Nanobanana Pro and Nanobanana 2, so you can see for yourself. I asked it to create a photo of a whiteboard in a home studio covered in marker writing and diagrams, comparing all the Google image models and explaining why Nanobanana 2 is the best option for starting a one-person AI agency. Same prompt, same reference image, two different models. And look at the difference. With Nanobanana Pro, the content was kind of spilling off the whiteboard and the person didn't really look like me. But with Nanobanana 2, everything stayed on the whiteboard exactly where it was supposed to be. The text is clean, the layout makes sense, and the person actually looks more like me. I actually posted the Nanobanana 2 version on my LinkedIn page, and it's already getting really good engagement. So just to make this super simple, Nanobanana 1 was fast, but the quality wasn't great. Nanobanana Pro was high quality, but slower and cost money. Nanobanana 2 gives you the pro quality at the original speed, and it's free, and it just dropped. Now let me show you why this matters for your pockets, because a cool AI tool is great, but it doesn't mean anything unless you can make money with it. But before we move on, if we haven't met yet, I'm Sean's clone. Sean is the owner of a $4 million per year social media marketing agency, winning awards like the Inc. 5000 fastest growing companies, Go HighLevel SaaS, and many others. And I'm here to share his knowledge with you, because the truth is, there are enough opportunities out there for us all to win, and sharing my knowledge does nothing to impact our wins, and it helps people like you. All I ask is that you like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. All right, let's move on. Chapter 2, how to make money with Nanobanana 2. Think about this. There are millions of small businesses out there that need social media content. Most of them don't have time to make it. They don't know how to use design tools. They're busy running their actual business. That's where you come in. You can use Nanobanana 2 to create infographics, carousel posts, quote graphics, tip posts, and all kinds of social media images for these businesses. And you can charge them $1,000 a month for it. Because you're not just making pretty pictures, you're creating daily content and using AI to turn their followers into booked appointments. Now, I want to be clear about something. At my agency, we create all kinds of social media content for small businesses. AI clones, video content, image posts, all of it. The hottest offer right now is still AI clones. That's the number one thing I recommend if you're starting an AI agency. But the next best thing, and this is what Nanobanana 2 makes so easy, is creating social media posts that actually have the business owner on them or their mascot. Because when people see the business owner's face on a post giving tips or sharing something useful, it builds trust way faster than a random stock photo. And with Nanobanana 2, you can generate that kind of content in seconds. So daily social media content with the business owner featured on it, plus the AI appointment system, that's what gets business owners excited. They see their face going out every day and new appointments showing up on their calendar without them doing anything. Let me show you exactly how I create content for a client. So let me say I'm making an infographic for a local plumber. I'm going to open up Gemini and type in a prompt. Here's a small piece of the prompt I used. Create a clean, modern infographic titled 5 Signs You Need to Call a Plumber ASAP. You can pause the video right now to see the full prompt on screen. And look at that. That's a full infographic with the plumber on it. The text is clean, the layout looks professional, the colors pop, and having the plumber on there makes it feel like they're actually teaching you something instead of just a random graphic. That's the kind of content business owners love because it feels personal. And that took me like 30 seconds. Now, here's the thing. Making the images is one part of it. But if you want to actually run this like a real business and manage multiple clients without losing your mind, you need a system. And that's exactly what I'm about to show you. Chapter 3, HighLevel Social Planner Tutorial. We use a software called HighLevel to manage social media for over 300 clients. Each client has their own sub-account with tons of features such as an AI website builder, AI voice agents, AI automations, and of course a social media planner where posts are scheduled and their automations run. I highly recommend it, and if you want to test it out, click the first link in the description below or visit SeanStanberry.com, and when you use my link, you get an exclusive 30-day free trial plus access to my AI Business Blueprint course for free. Sign up to follow along because right now I'm going to walk you through exactly how the social media planner works so you can see how simple it is. Okay, so first you're going to log into Go HighLevel. On the left side, you're going to see a menu. Click on marketing. Then at the top of the screen, you'll see social planner. Click on that. This is your command center for everything social media. You're going to see a calendar view that shows all your scheduled posts, your drafts, and anything that's already been published. You can toggle between a monthly view, a weekly view, or a list view, depending on how you like to look at things. Now, to connect the client's social media accounts, you click on the little gear icon in the top right of the social planner. That's where you add their Facebook page, their Instagram business account, their LinkedIn, their Google business profile, TikTok, all of it. For Instagram, just know it has to be a business account and it has to be connected to a Facebook page. That's not a Go HighLevel rule, that's an Instagram rule. Once you connect the accounts, you're good to go. Now let's schedule a post. You click the plus button or create new post. A composer window pops up. At the top, you select which social accounts you want this post to go to. So you could send the same post to Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn all at once. Then you write your caption in the text box. You upload your image or video using the media button. And this is where you'd upload that infographic or carousel image you just made in Nanobanana 2. On the right side, you get a live preview of what the post is going to look like on each platform. That's really helpful because Instagram crops differently than Facebook. And you want to make sure everything looks right before you post it. Once you're happy with it, you can either publish it right now or schedule it for later. If you schedule it, you pick the date and time and HighLevel handles the rest. You can even set it to repeat on a schedule like weekly or monthly, which is great for recurring content. And if you're managing a bunch of clients, you can upload posts in bulk using a CSV file, which saves a ton of time. Now here's where agency owners really need to pay attention. Click on the statistics tab at the top of the social planner. This is your analytics dashboard, and this is what you show your clients to prove you're worth the money. You can see everything in one place. Total posts published, total likes, total comments, total shares, your follower count, impressions, and reach. There's an interactive graph that shows you your weekly post performance so you can see exactly which days and which types of posts are getting the most engagement. You can filter by date range, so if you want to see just the last 7 days or the last 30 days, you click the date picker at the top and select your range. You can also filter by specific social accounts, so if you want to see just how one client's Instagram is doing, you can isolate that with a couple clicks. There's also a top performing post section that shows you which posts got the most likes. That's gold because you can see what's working and do more of it. And there's even demographic data that shows you the gender and age breakdown of who's engaging with the content. That helps you fine-tune the strategy for each client. This is what I mean when I talk about running an actual agency and not just freelancing. You've got the content creation handled with Nanobanana 2, you've got the posting and scheduling handled with HighLevel, and you've got the analytics to prove to your clients that what you're doing is actually working. That's how you keep clients paying you month after month. Chapter 4, how to get clients. Now, I know some of you watching this are thinking, okay, this sounds great, but I don't have any clients yet. So let me tell you exactly what I recommend. First thing you do is find local businesses that need help with their social media. Go on Instagram, go on Facebook, look for businesses in your area that are either posting blurry photos, posting inconsistently, or not posting at all. Those are your ideal clients. They know they need to be on social media, but they don't have the time or skills to do it right. So you reach out first and just ask. Send them a DM or an email and say something like, hey, I can create an AI clone of you that helps post daily social media content for your business. I'd love to put together a few sample posts for you so you can see what it would look like. Would you be open to that? That's it. You're not asking them to buy anything. You're just asking for permission to show them what you can do. Most business owners are going to say yes because it's free and they're curious. Now you've got their attention and their permission. That's when you go create 3 or 4 really clean posts using Nanobanana 2 with the business owner actually on them. That's the key. When they see their own face on professional social media content, they're blown away. Then you hop on a quick call and show them the content. On the call, you explain the full system. Daily social media content created with AI, scheduled and managed through one platform with analytics so they can see exactly how it's performing. If you don't have any clients yet, offer them a 14-day free trial. That gives you time to show them more content, build trust, and prove this works. Once you've got some experience and case studies, you skip the trial and just close them right there. $1,000 a month for daily content plus the whole management system. And the management system isn't just about creating and scheduling social media posts. It's all about creating systems for the business owner that will help convert their traffic into leads, appointments, and sales. Now, creating images are great, but there's an even better way to create social media content. Coming up next, I have a video on the new AI business model I'm using inside my $400,000 per month agency. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.